Hey guys, Brian with Troubleshooting Technologies. Right now we're looking at the VH1000. This is a unit that is meant for industrial purposes, meant to operate literally 7 days throughout the week. You're gonna get more as expected. You're gonna be getting the windshield wiper with this unit, our precision regulator, and it does come with two 2-foot LEDs internally, maximizing your visibility. The internal dimensions on this, it's gonna be 36 by 30 by 38, putting 90 to 80% of your applications that you're going to be working on, especially within a mechanical sense. But personally, one of my favorite things with this unit right here in particular, it is stainless steel. If you do require something with a little bit more integrity and sturdiness behind it, this is the perfect cabinet for this. We got a team that's fully dedicated to help you guys out, especially with this VH1000 stainless steel model. And we do offer a variety of selections. We're not limited at Troubleshooting Technologies. So give us a call at 828-202-5563.